History is not just about the past, it is a mirror, and sometimes a warning. If we listen carefully, history tells us exactly where the future is heading. We often think of history as a collection of dusty books and old dates, but it's so much more than that. It's a living, breathing guide that holds the patterns of human behavior, our triumphs, and our biggest mistakes. When we look closely, we can see the echoes of the past in our world today, whispering clues about tomorrow. Every great civilization believed it would last forever. Think about it, the mighty Roman Empire, with its legions and aqueducts. The sophisticated cities of the Indus Valley. The sprawling empires of ancient Egypt and Persia. To the people living in them, their world felt permanent, unshakable. But they didn't fall overnight. It was never one single event that brought them down. The collapse was a slow burn, a series of ignored signs. Economic inequality grew until the gap between the rich and the poor became a chasm. Environmental changes, like deforestation or shifting climates, strained their resources until they snapped. And perhaps most importantly, they experienced a loss of shared values. The social glue that held their societies together dissolved, replaced by division and distrust. History shows one undeniable truth again and again. Change is inevitable. Resistance to that change is optional, but it's always costly. Civilizations that adapt, innovate, and evolve are the ones that survive. They embrace new ideas and find new ways to solve problems. But those that cling desperately to outdated power structures and familiar comforts are the ones that eventually collapse under their own weight. They become brittle, unable to bend when the winds of change blow. We tend to imagine the future arriving with a big bang, like in the movies with flying cars and dramatic explosions, but the future won't arrive like that. It will arrive quietly, slipping into our lives through the subtle shifts in technology, the gradual changes in our climate, and the millions of individual human choices we make every single day. The famous saying goes that history doesn't repeat itself, but it certainly rhymes. The challenges we face today, political polarization, environmental stress, rapid technological disruption, they all have historical parallels. The details are different, but the underlying themes are the same. So, before we spend all our time asking what the future holds, maybe we should first ask, what is history trying to teach us right now? What are the warnings we're ignoring? What are the opportunities for adaptation we're missing? The answers aren't just in the past, they are the key to building a better future. What lesson from history do you think our world is ignoring today? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please share them in the comments below. If you enjoy meaningful content like this, give this video a like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more stories that connect the past, present, and future. Thanks for watching.